Good morning, Jekylites. Today have we got a treat for you. Today I'm taking Rosie to Nusa Penida. We're actually going to be driving all the way to Parangbai from where we are here in Jimbaran and get on what they call the Roro ferry in Parangbai. That's a ferry where you can take your motorbikes on. And we're not quite sure what the process is. I've heard lots of different stories about how to get on the ferry or about whether or not the ferry still even runs. So we're taking our chances here. I tried to look for info online, did not find anything. So I will document this, and perhaps this will become the definitive info on the Roro ferry to Nusa Penida. So if you're all set, let's get riding on, and I'll see you on the road. Let's ride on. Ya, 100.000.
Mau kemana?
Mau ke Nusa Penida, Pak. Ya.
Lewat Parangbai?
Iya, lewat Parangbai. Masih bisa ya? Ya. Terima kasih. Ya. Halo, mau tiket ke Nusa Penida ya? Ya, oke.
Ini udah ada saldo?
Iya ya, mau ya untuk 2 tiket sudah. Ya.
Sudah itu langsung ke sana.
Langsung ke sana?
Iya, sudah ada.
Ada 500 sekarang.
Oh, langsung.
Ya, langsung ke sana. Oke, gimana?
Lurus belok kanan nomor 4.
Nomor 4. Oke, makasih. Nomor 4.
Hah?
Nomor 4 katanya. Oh, roda 2 di sini. Oke. Halo, Pak. Ini ferry ke Nusa Penida ya?
Nusa Penida paling ujung.
Paling oke.
Iya.
So harus terbalik ya?
Iya, balik.
Oke, tak. Nusa Penida ya. Oke. Bayar di sini juga, Pak? Bayar di sini?
Ya,
Oke, ya.
bentar ya, habiskan dulu.
Oke, ya.
Habiskan apa namanya?
Ini Pak, mau 2 motor 4 orang.
2 motor 4 orang.
Ya.
Bisa minta kartu identitas?
KTP semua ya?
Ya. Ini ke Nusa Penida ya?
Ke Nusa Penida ya. Ini KTP.
Ya.
Jam berapa pergi?
Nanti kurang lebih jam 10.
Kurang lebih jam 10. Ada 2 per hari atau cuma 1 sekarang?
Kalau selain hari Minggu 2 kali.
Jam 9
Jam 10 sama jam 2.
Jam 2. Oke. Totalnya berapa? 1 motor 2 orang?
Satu motor 2 orang 119.600.
116. Oke.
119.600.
Oh, 9. Oh, oke. So 240 untuk 2 motor. Oke.
Ini disimpan, nanti ini yang diserahkan. Ini tiketnya. Jangan diulang.
Oke, terima kasih ya. Thank you. And this is our tickets. Bisa. Reasonably easy to get in on at the harbor. Except just needed our ID, and of course you need the e-money, so an e-card, like a toll card. It's for 1 motorbike with 2 people. It's about 120 Ks, 120,000 for one way. There's 2 ferries a day, he's saying. One ferry is at 10 o'clock, and the other one's in the afternoon, I think at 2. But there's not really any signs that tells you where to go or what to do, so we're kind of on our own. But anyways, we found out that the ferry's not here. They're going to call us when the ferry gets here, and then we get to board. And in the meantime, we're going to get some breakfast.
Satu lagi. Oh, nggak apa-apa. Telurnya nunggu aja.
Iya. Dan ini saya mau kering tempe, mau perkedel jagung. Iya, itu aja. Terima kasih, Bu. Nusa Penida.
Slowly. Halo. Drink coffee.
Makasih, Bu. Seems like endless waiting to get on that ferry. I've never seen a ferry take so long to be loaded. Not much space to get through. So let's get down to the motorbike and see if we can get out of here. Wow! It's like a game of Tetris. Halo Bu, bisa lihat menunya? Tapi guling ada ya? So we finally made it to Nusa Penida. We're going to be looking for a place to stay, and we're going to have some babi guling for lunch. Lovely getting off the ferry and riding along the coast. It's really nice. Nice feel, like small town, small village feel. Totally loving it. Cool. Glad you're here. Cheers. Alright, so we're having babi guling, and here we go. That's the traditional food in Bali. Alright, it looks like we found a place to stay. It's got the kind of rooms we need, and it's on the main street, a bit close to everything. There's a little shop under, so I think if everybody likes it, this will be our stay. It's called the Mel's. To find out more about Nusa Penida, please stay tuned. I'll be releasing the rest of our adventure in the coming weeks. Until then, I hope you've had a nice time. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, click like, write me a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you out there, and until I do, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.